All right, I'm going to show you how to add gloves to a dress form in Clo3D. First, I have my clothes created like I did in the previous tutorials, and now I want to add the gloves. What I will do first is to just move the top away from the hand so I can see them, and also go to avatar joints. I'm going to move the fingers around and just make it more accessible when I'm creating the patterns and also the sewing. So just make the fingers straighter and maybe even like more spread apart as well. And then I'm going to go to avatar. I'm just going to open the same avatar. In this case, I'm going to change its pose. So if you go to pose, you can choose the one with the hands up. I think this will be the best when trying to add gloves and stitch them to the hands as well. Okay. Let me move the clothes away from the hands. I'm going to go back to the avatar joints, move the arms, and again, just prepare it for sewing. Okay, now once I'm done, I will be using the tool to just start creating the pattern. So here you just get to make it like very chunky and boxy. We will be editing the points afterwards. Okay. Don't forget you need to create a close path to create an actual pattern. Okay, now our pattern is here. I'm going to use the editing tool, and here you can use the curve and you can also drag the points, edit points to make it more aesthetically pleasing, and also the tip of the fingers should be more round as well. So I'm just gonna try to use the curve, smooth curve for that as well, and transform those blocky edges to curves. Once you're done with this part and you are happy with your pattern, you can do Control-C, Control-V to copy and paste. And then you can just add the show arrangement points on the avatar just to make sure you place the gloves very close to the hands. This will help you with simulation, honestly. The better you place them near the hands, the better the simulation is going to be, and you're not going to have much issues. Now I'm taking the sewing tool and the free sewing tool, and I'm just going to sew the two parts together and simulate. All right, that's not bad. I can drag the parts that don't look that great, and I think I'm pretty happy with the result here. I'm going to make a copy for the other hand and just literally do the same thing. Simulate, arrange it, and then here I tried to actually use the pin box tool, but then I realized once I had this secured and I moved the pose with the hands down, it just didn't work. It just kept the gloves suspended, but then it didn't follow the hands. So what I have used instead, you can use the pin to avatar. So you pin the glove to the avatar to make sure they're kind of in place once you switch the pose back to the arms down. And this one actually worked really well for me. Now I am going to bring back all my patterns that I put on hide and frozen, and I am just going to rearrange them on my avatar, including the gloves. All right, so this is it for this tutorial. I think we're pretty done with Clo. In the next one, we will take this outfit into Blender to add some cameras and animate the scene with a butterfly effect from the Balenciaga show. So I will see you in the next one. One quick thing I wanted to mention, if you want this outfit to download it, you go to my Patreon and you can download it from there. I'm going to upload extensive projects there and also all my project files from YouTube as well. See you in the next one.